They didn't bring us here to change the past.
Say that again.
They didn't bring us here to change the past.
They didn't bring us here at all. We brought ourselves.
Welcome to the land of fire and ice. To celebrate Sophie's 30th birthday, we decided to push our limits further than ever before. So today, we're ditching the hiking trails and heading straight to a glacier for our first ever ice climbing expedition. So this is easily our biggest adventure yet. So let's suit up and get on the ice. Well, we're here for the main event. Are you excited, my love?
Yeah, should be good.
It's a bit windy. Ooh. That's the glacier all the way down there. So that's the company we're using to guide us, Arctic Adventures. That's what we're going to be doing, well, hopefully something like that. You ready? You look so warm. We spent around 20 minutes having an introduction and making sure we had all the necessary gear for what's about to come next. All your stuff? I'm intrigued, we only get one axe. I thought it was one in each hand.
Maybe
so, bang,
just so
bang.
you only have to carry one.
And then we share.
There's only one person climbing at a time, so...
Yeah. It is windy now.
Yes, I'm listening and all.
So this is the group we're going to be climbing with. Say hi, everyone. Hey. There are so many groups climbing from different company and tour guides.
And backwards, okay? If you ever need to use in a hiking mode with the ice pick, you use the pointy bit, okay? So
all our equipment now. Got our climbing axe, crampons, and making our approach to the glacier. Oh, that looks stunning. Nice.
no,
Not safe?
nice.
No, it's not nice.
Oh, but that's more nicer. This is going to be fun. Waiting for the group to catch up now. How are you finding it so far?
It's okay. Bit sketchy on the ice.
Not a fan walking in the ice, are you?
No. No wonder there's no glacier left. Everyone keeps whacking it and walking on it, melting it.
Not global warming, just people.
There's people.
I mean, that's kind of is people, isn't it?
Yeah.
Definitely good forever. It's about to finish. Make sure that ice pick is solid. Okay.
Oh my god, that's terrifying.
I swing. I'm gonna be with no rope. Do I trust this?
No.
Probably with no rope, probably no. With the rope I probably would. Yeah. It's important that it's not wobbling too much. If I'm not too short, this is my safety over here. So I take it off and I swing again. This is a good experience for us as a guides because we don't use these ice picks and this is really hard to swing, I'll be honest with you.
With the guide set, the challenge was on. I made the climb quickly, racing to the top to capture incredible drone views of the surreal landscape and the rest of the group following my footsteps. Got loads of stuff in the mouth.
What is it? Is it flat stuff?
Can I hand clip you?
Yeah.
Yeah? So I give you a tip to relax now. Shake your arms when you are good, okay? Just shake your arms down. And one thing for you, you will see where that is. Don't say that, okay?
There, Sophie. Make some more room for everyone to climbing up.
I'll have to. What? It's gonna open up.
Look at that hole. Be careful with the water bit. because that's an opening.
Yeah, I just put my fucking foot down there.
Yeah, he did tell us, but I forgot, just letting you guys know now. Because apparently that drops.
What the fuck? Why are we standing on it then?
Yeah, this all just opens up.
Hope it doesn't open now.
How did you find that though, love?
I enjoyed it until we got to the top.
You struggled a little bit at the top, didn't you?
And then I hit my shin and it really hurts.
I think that's it, and as soon as you get a little injury, it makes it a bit harder to continue. But you have to push for it. Which you did.
I just couldn't get my left foot in.
There you go, you've done it there.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Yeah, I did it.
Just in the moment, it was a little bit harder. No, you did good. We continue to make our way through the glacier, scrambling our way up and down through the ice. Yeah.
Could you get down there and just like
Yeah.
me down?
What? You're gonna have to go past behind me again.
Did you pass the red ice?
There you go. You want to break that out of the way? That's one way, yeah.
That's one way to do it.
Create a path. All you're doing is just create a path for the next group.
Yeah.
Is it alright if I try to go up this way?
You can give it a go.
Yeah.
You can try both ways. I just want people to have to
Nice. What are we doing, love? You enjoying it? When it's finished. It's always the case.
That's my girl.
Right, we're on top of the glacier now, done some practice, and we're going to do the big one. Basically, he's going to find a big hole in the glacier, drop us inside it, and we have to climb out of it. This is awesome though, just being here and walking in this ice.
Oh, it's terrifying, look, it's a fucking hole.
Yeah, you don't know how, like, what you're standing right now.
Oh, stop it.
Quick. For the last challenge of the day, we weren't just looking at a massive crevice, we were heading straight into it. The plan, drop down, then climb our way back out. Yeah. Light work.
Oh my god, this is so much effort.
You have a good birthday?
Yes, good thing.
So yeah, this has been our Iceland video, doing introduction to ice climbing for the first time to celebrate my love, Sophie's 30th birthday. So yeah, it's been great. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe, leave a like to see more contents like this while we go out and do some adventures, explore this beautiful world and see what's got to offer. We're going to be doing a lot more stuff this year, some more Via Ferratas, some more rock climbing, so stay tuned to see all that content. Thank you for watching.